Okay, hi everyone. Compound interest. Here is the compound interest formula. A equals P times 1 plus R over N to the power of N times T. A is the amount that's in the account when you are just the amount that's in the present amount in the account. P is the principal. That is the initial investment. Okay, the interest rate is usually given as a percent, and that needs to be changed to a decimal. Need to move the decimal 2 places to make it smaller. Time is in years. T is for time, and that's in years. And N is the number of compounding periods per year. You'll have words like monthly, where N will equal 12, because you compound, if you're compounding monthly, you're compounding 12 times a year. You may have a word like quarterly, and that means you're compounding every 3 months or 4 times a year. Semi-annually is another compounding term. That's twice a year. Semi-annually. These are just some of the values, and there might be other ones that they're used that they tell you about here. Okay, so, and the continuous compounding, that's where, well, we'll get into that later when we start talking about logarithms, I think. So you deposit $2,500 in a long-term investment in which the interest is compounded monthly. Okay, so N's going to be 12. You deposited $2,500. That is A. 5 years, that's T, is 5. The balance is 3,500. Okay, I don't know. I think I misspoke. This 2,500, the initial investment is P. This is A, what the balance is after 5 years. Then we're asking us for the R. What's the annual interest rate here? So let's plug everything into the equation. The A was $3,544.06. The principal was $2,500. We got the 1 plus the interest rate. That's what we're going to solve for. And then N, the number of compounding, it's compounding monthly, so N is 12. And then 12 times 5. Probably should write all that down. P equals 2,500. N equals 12 for compounded monthly. After 5 years, that means T equals 5. The balance is, and that's A, $3,544.06. And all that's left is for us to solve this equation. So we are going to, we're just trying to get R by itself. And I'm going to write this as $3,544.06 equals $2,500 times 1 plus R over 12 to the 60th power. Okay, so we have pretty big power here. I'm going to divide. When you're trying to get R by itself, I think the first thing to do is get this part by itself. Start furthest from the R, the 2,500, and then work your way toward the R. So, and I'm going to keep some, this is a pretty sensitive amount here, so I'm going to go $3,544.06 divided by 2,500. And I think I'm going to keep all those decimal places. I've got 1.417624. That's canceling. So that's 1 plus r over 12 to the 60th power. Now, the next thing, this is inside parentheses, the 1 and the 12. So I think the next thing that needs to happen here is we need to, and we can do it in a couple ways, we need to get rid of this 60th power. So I'm going to take, and this is crazy, I'm going to take the 60th root of this side, and when I do that, I'll have just the 1 plus r over 12. Oops, okay. I didn't mean to draw these parentheses. Doesn't matter. I'm going to take the 60th root of that number. Okay, calculator-wise, you need to, let's see. Let's just go math here. All right. Okay, I need to use this number 5 function here in the math. Now I'm gonna go back here and go. I need to actually write the 60 in first. So I'm going to go 60 math. Now some of you may not need to do that 60 first. It might give you the prompt to put the 60 in. But see how I got the 60th root now? And I see the number right here. So that's 1.417624. The 60th root. I got 1.0058. 1.00, I'm going to go 583. Go that far with it. Alright, now it's fairly simple to solve. We need to subtract 1 from both sides, and I'll come back over here and get 0.00583. I'm just taking 1 away from 1.00583. And that's equal to r over 12. And then I'll multiply both sides by 12. I'm going to do that. I'm going to subtract 1 here. And then multiply this by 12. And I get 0.06999. This is really, really close to 0.07 equals r, which is a 7% annual percentage rate. All right, you guys take care now.